Hi, I'm Glenn from Inlon and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Agria LT 9500 slope track mower, a professional remote controlled slope mower built for tough terrain and steep hillsides. Whether you're a contractor, a landscaper or a council operator, this machine is engineered to handle the most challenging jobs safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. The LT 9500 isn't your everyday mower. It's a self-propelled rotary mulching mower designed specifically for extreme slopes and roadside vegetation maintenance. With its low centre of gravity and tracked drive system, it delivers excellent traction and stability on inclines up to 45 degrees. Under the hood, you'll find a Kawasaki FS600V V-twin engine producing 17 horsepower, giving the LT 9500 the muscle it needs for heavy-duty mowing. Its hybrid drive system uses the petrol engine to generate electric power for the dual brushless drive motors, providing smooth, efficient power to both the tracks and the cutting deck. All electronics are housed in an easily accessible electric control box. With rubber buffers, it protects components from vibration, dust and moisture, ensuring reliable operation in tough conditions while making maintenance quick and simple. Refueling is made simple and safe with the swap and go jerry can system, especially when working on slopes, giving you a run time between 3 and 4 hours per tank. The LT 9500's rubber tracks feature a non-slip block profile and rugged rollers, providing excellent grip while being gentle on vegetation. Tracks maintain traction even on rough, uneven ground. The mower has a robust 10mm thick cutting deck with rubber flaps front and back to contain debris. The blade carrier has 4 swing-back blades to reduce impact, and with the track design, sideways ejection is eliminated. Cutting height is easily adjustable from 130 to 30mm using the remote control. Stepless control lets you make smooth, precise changes on the fly, tackling different vegetation types without leaving the operator position. The LT 9500 features adjustable speeds for precise control on any terrain. It can reach up to 10 km an hour on flat ground, while slower settings let you safely work around drop-offs and water hazards. Speed adjustments are made easily via the remote, keeping you in full control at all times. For complete safety on steep slopes, the LT 9500 is equipped with electromechanical fail-safe brakes on both electric drive motors. These automatically engage to hold the mower in place, giving maximum control and peace of mind even on challenging inclines. Standard LED signal lighting ensures the machine is clearly visible from both the front and rear, even in low visibility conditions. One of the standout features is the intuitive remote control with a 2.8-inch display. From up to 150 metres away, you can monitor and adjust speed, cutting height and engine revs. Safety is paramount. The LT 9500 includes emergency shut-off on both the machine and the remote, and it will automatically shut down if the transmission signal is lost. Transporting the LT 9500 is simple using a single axle trailer with 4 cast eye bolts for secure tie downs. Well, that's your complete walkthrough of the Agria LT 9500 slope track mower, a machine that combines power, precision and safety for tackling slopes up to 45 degrees and challenging vegetation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and drop any questions you might have in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.